Bienvenue en France. Welcome to the land of timeless appeal, where every moment is a celebration of art, culture, and wonderful living. A country that is a testament to the power of human creativity, France is a blend of old-world charm and modern elegance. From the romantic streets of Paris to the sunny beaches of Nice, to the historical allure of Lyon, each city in France paints a different picture, each more enchanting than the last. Here, history is not confined to textbooks. It's etched onto cobblestone streets, it's painted onto the walls of museums, it's baked into crusty baguettes, and it's woven into the fabric of haute couture. Each city, each town, each village in France is a treasure trove of stories waiting to be discovered. Every city in France is its own canvas, waiting to be explored. Immerse yourself in the magic of the Louvre, see the architectural marvel of the Eiffel Tower, and prepare to be dazzled by the array of architectural wonders France has to offer. Each structure, each monument tells a story, a testament to France's rich history and culture. Consider the Notre Dame Cathedral, an epitome of French Gothic architecture, with its flying buttresses and intricate sculptures. It's more than just a building. It's a symbol of Paris's resilience and enduring spirit. Then there's the Palace of Versailles, a symbol of the absolute monarchy of the Ancien Regime. Its grandeur and opulence, from the Hall of Mirrors to the sprawling gardens, reflect the power and wealth of King Louis XIV, the Sun King. But France's architectural marvels aren't all rooted in the past. The Louvre Pyramid, a modern addition to the historic Louvre Museum, beautifully embodies France's seamless blend of the old and the new. And of course, we can't forget the Eiffel Tower. Standing tall and proud, it's a beacon of French innovation and a must-see sight that has captured the hearts of many. But it's not just the famous landmarks that make France an architectural dream. Every corner, from the cobblestone streets of Montmartre to the colorful, half-timbered houses of Alsace, is a feast for the eyes. So stroll through the vibrant markets that breathe life into every French city and let the architectural wonders of France sweep you off your feet. Your senses are immersed in a culinary symphony. Picture this: the aroma of freshly baked baguettes wafting through the air as you stroll down a cobblestone street, the sight of colorful macarons lined up like precious gems in a patisserie window, the sound of a sizzling steak as it's expertly prepared in a bustling bistro. This is the symphony of French cuisine, a tantalizing orchestra of flavors, aromas, and textures that will awaken your senses and delight your palate. From buttery croissants in a quaint Parisian cafe to the bold flavors of bouillabaisse in a seaside restaurant in Marseille, every dish tells a story. Each ingredient is a note, carefully selected and masterfully combined to create a harmonious melody of taste. Whether it's the subtle sweetness of a crème brûlée, the rich complexity of coq au vin, or the refreshing tang of a ratatouille, French cooking is a testament to the art of gastronomy. But the culinary journey doesn't end at the plate. It's in the wine that accompanies your meal, the cheese that concludes your feast, the cafe that punctuates your day. It's in the passion of the chefs, the tradition of the recipes, the joy of the shared meal. It's a symphony that plays out in kitchens and dining rooms across the country, a celebration of food that's at the heart of French culture. Every bite is a journey through the mastery of French cooking. So indulge in the culinary symphony that is French cuisine and let your senses dance to its delightful tune. Bon appétit! Try an example of style in the fashion capital of the world, France, a country where fashion isn't just a concept, but a way of life. The birthplace of haute couture, France has been setting the pace for global fashion trends since the 17th century. From the iconic fashion houses of Chanel and Dior to the avant-garde designs of Jean-Paul Gaultier, French fashion is a blend of tradition and innovation. Walking down the streets of Paris, you'll witness a sophisticated sartorial parade that's more than just clothing. It's an expression of identity, a celebration of creativity, a statement of elegance. French fashion is as diverse as the country itself. From the classic, timeless chic of the Parisian woman to the relaxed, effortless style of the French Riviera. It's a world where the language of style is spoken fluently, and elegance is the currency. Discover a world where beauty is an art form. As the sun sets, watch the cities transform into vibrant hubs of nightlife. Each city, with its unique charm, dons a new persona. Paris, the city of lights, glows with an alluring brilliance, its streets humming with a lively rhythm that's contagious. The sophisticated bars and lounges overlooking the Seine become the perfect backdrop for the evening, their soft lights reflected in the gentle ripples of the river. The nightlife in Nice, with its balmy Mediterranean air, is a delightful mix of laid-back beach parties and energetic dance clubs. And let's not forget about Lyon, the gastronomic capital, where late-night bistros serve exquisite French delicacies under the starlit sky. Meanwhile, in Montmartre, the bohemian heart of Paris, artists, musicians, and night owls create a lively energy that is palpable. With every nightfall, these cities transform, each revealing a different facet of their charm. The night comes to life in France. Your journey through France promises an enchanting tapestry of art, history, delicious cuisine, and nightlife dancing to the rhythm of the joy of life. From the architectural marvels of Paris to the sun-drenched beaches of Nice, each city is a unique masterpiece, offering a kaleidoscope of experiences. A stroll through the bustling markets, a visit to the world-renowned Louvre, or a bite of the culinary delights, France invites you to embrace its vibrant culture. And let's not forget the allure of the fashion capital of the world, where style is as natural as breathing. As night falls, the cities come alive, transforming into vibrant hubs of nightlife. France is not just a destination, it's an experience, a story waiting to be lived. So what are you waiting for? It's time to weave your own French tale. France, where every moment is a work of art. Bon voyage!